Alright, so I have a problem. Audio. I'm generally good with audio. I like to get the highest quality sound possible. But sometimes that requires using a microphone like this. And people know of this type of microphone that you have to have it as close as possible to the subject to get a good sound. So that often requires it be mounted like up above, like this. But there is a problem with that. Most mic stands can't reach that high to reach this level of the frame. So I decided to go on Amazon and basically find one. It's not a mic stand per se, but it's a stand. So this is a newer light stand, it's a heavy duty light stand, and along with a few accessories, which is coming right now thanks to UPS. We are going to show off. So let's get that package and see what's up. When will the package come? I'm kind of excited to say the least. I do have more stuff coming tomorrow, i.e. to finish my entire camera rig. Because I don't have a way to mount my monitor, so it's just kind of hanging right there. So what else I got? Alright, so what else I got? I also got the newer microphone boom pole holder. And Kupo, I think that's how I say it, Kupo head, gobo head. It's like the type that you would find on a C stand. Let's create a. There he is. There's the guy. That's the sound. That wasn't my package. That wasn't my package. Is he gonna come back? Just say what's up. Yeah, he's in the back still. There it is. That's probably mine. Got it. Alright, so this is a beautiful package. Let's get a knife. Scissors. That should work. Alright, so in the package it comes with a Kupo grip and a newer thing. So let's put two and two together. Alright, so let's do this. We get this actually high quality stand for the price. You get the head with this actually humongous arm. Oh my god, look at put that on here. And this is a spring loaded one, so that's nice in case all hell breaks loose. Oh, you gotta love the packaging. This is huge. Alright, so this is what it is. It's very basic. It's a light stand, a heavy duty light stand, mind you. A big arm. And basically a way you can put a pole in it and it won't fall. So let me put my. I just hit my fan. Wow. The thing I like about this, mind you, is the fact. So let's set this up. Alright, so this is the setup. The microphone is right above my head, and you can't see it. This is higher than any mic stand will get you. So if I bring my tripod up, actually. Wow, there it is. If it's zoomed in enough, you can use it like this, actually. Let's compare this thing versus an actual mic stand. So this is a mic stand that I've been using for years. It's a combination of two stands, actually. The base is a Radio Shack stand, and the top is a Samsung stand. So yeah, so you basically get the head. So let's compare length. So this is about as high as it go, and it's about as far as it can go. Okay, not much at all. Let's get this one. We have to go back for this. So a boom pole is much longer than this, mind you. Solid versus bad. If you bring this up, you know, it already surpasses it. And this can go up to 13 feet in the air. I bought this light stand specifically for this. So let's see what happens when we take it off this heavy duty nice light stand and just put it on a normal bougie light stand. The normal light stand that you'd find on Amazon. Oh my god. I do not recommend this. I do not recommend you do this at home. I know this is probably not the best sound you're hearing right now, but it's for testing purposes. Amazing! This is an absolutely amazing achievement. Oh my god. This is not a good idea at all. So yeah, I bought this light stand on purpose. Alright, so right now I'm using the small one. Alright, so right now I'm using a normal light stand to hold this. Oh my god. So let's put it all together. Die. Alright guys, so I don't know how much footage I lost, but I'm guessing a little bit. So I set up the phone mic stand how I would be doing it for videos, and yes, I am in fact making more YouTube videos.
But the whole environment of your room is unprofessional and just messy.
Alright, so after that proper roast, I will be cleaning my set. Let's get a light in here. We need lights. Daylight is dissipating really fast. Alright, for those of you who don't know, I ran out of footage on my camera. Well, ran out of time per se, because my camera has a 20-minute time limit. So let's record my setup here. So for audio, I'm using a Sony ECM 670 microphone. It's a good microphone. I love it. Mounted on the newer light stand, which has the Kupo head. But let's talk about the stuff that people like. The camera. This is my camera setup. It's actually insane. Right here I have a Film City camera rig. I love it. It makes my camera look a bit more professional, and it actually helps stuff like reducing shadows, which this huge matte box is doing. I have a EOYO monitor, so I have an EOYO monitor, which there's a bit of a delay, so it's like look at that delay. Yeah, but it's a great monitor. I love it. It's 5 inches. I don't know if the proper mount yet because it hasn't arrived yet, so it's just kind of perching over there. I have my Nikon D7200. It's a great camera. I love it. On a 3-part tripod, and all of that's connected to a Zoom H5, which is connected to the microphone input. So yeah, that's all for this review. Well, not even a review, just like behind the scenes tour. And soon I'll be doing a proper tour of my room once I clean all of this up. So yeah, I'm gonna take something from Lena Films too. Bye guys.